when's a forecast not a forecast? And the answer is when it's out of date. Yeah. Everybody loves their forecast when you work to the forecast. If everything comes according to plan, then we're all wonderful. We've forecasted properly, we know where we stand, and we've delivered against it. That's not reality. The minute a forecast is out of date is when the information is not kept up to date, or things change. Business goes off in a different direction, customers don't make decisions on placing orders, everything's delayed by 3 weeks, all of a sudden your forecast goes out through the window. Pointless. So for me, it's not about creating a forecast at the beginning of the year. It's not about creating a forecast at the beginning of the financial period. It's about creating a forecast that moves with the business and is a live forecast at any moment in time. And to do that, that needs modeling. Yes, you could do it in Excel. So extract your financial budgets that you've agreed at the financial year, do a bit of what-if scenarios, put in your expected receipt and payment dates based on average time to pay, for example. That's all manual calculations. And anything deviates from that situation is out of date. So what I would suggest people do is to get a better hold of what your forecast is, to actually get hold of it and be able to do something with it, is to actually link that in a live way to your financial system. Naturally, there are tools available to do it. Some finance systems have that built in, others have extra modular functionality. So in the Sage world, as an example, we've got forecasting modules that we can plug into the software. That means that you're looking at your starter for 10 budget, you're looking at your actuals, and you're also looking at the real-time transactional information. So if a particular customer starts to pay not on 30 days, but on an average of 45 days, then your forecast will take that into consideration. It's not just what the standards say. Therefore, you might not like what it's telling you, but it's the truth, yeah? And it's not what you thought it was in the first place, but because it is the truth, you can then take action and do something about it.